Return in mercy to Jerusalem, your city, and dwell therein as you have promised, speedily established therein the throne of David your servant, and rebuild it soon in our days as an everlasting edifice. Blessed are you, Lord, who rebuilds Jerusalem, speedily cause the Zion of David, your servant, to flourish and increase his power by your salvation. For we hope for your salvation all day. Blessed are you, Lord, who causes the salvation to flourish. Hear our voice, Lord our God. Merciful Father, have compassion upon us, and accept our prayers in mercy and favor. For you are God, who hears prayers and supplications. Do not turn us away empty. To Zion in mercy. Blessed are you, Lord, who restores his divine presence to Zion. Speedily cause the Zion of David, your servant, to flourish and increase his power by your salvation. Blessed are you, Lord, who causes the power of salvation